where my money makes money. Money isn't everything. And I've had this conversation, this video once or twice, because I get on money pretty hard and I get on your financial stability pretty seriously, because I understand how it's detrimental to your health. It's detrimental to your mental stability, just as your physical stability and all other types of stability, right? Because we understand that hallmark, money is pretty much it. Money is the hallmark of not our lives. That's kind of a stretch, because we can throw in life and connection, communication with people, blah, 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 blah. But the point I'm making is this: money isn't everything, but you need it, right? If you're living in the modern world, if you're not going to go to Alaska, if you're not going to go to the Amazon, you're not going to go to some sort of desert place and live off the land, just, you know, you and your family, or you and your dog, whatever. If you're looking at this, then you're pretty much part of the modern world, because you're looking at YouTube, and people in the modern world look at YouTube. So the point I'm making is this: you have to understand the association what money has in your life. If money isn't everything, then how are you going to eat? Are you going to hunt and grow your own food? Okay, that's possible. Do you have a car? How are you going to pay for gas? Are you going to mine and drill your own oil and then refine it? Are you going to capture natural gas and then process it for your car to run off of propane or nitrogen or hydrogen? I mean, what are you going to do? You're going to need money at some point, okay? That is just my belief. So if money isn't everything, then why do you need it? It's a contradiction, I know, because you do need money. And I'm not saying to be money hungry. I'm not saying to be money crazy. I need for you to be money smart, okay? Money smart, where money isn't controlling everything you do, okay? Money isn't controlling everything you don't do, right? But you have to be money smart. You have to know when to spend money, when to save money, when to invest money. And all of this takes time, guys. Okay, I know a lot of you contact me and you say, hey, what can I invest in? What can I do with my money to make a lot of money? Okay, a lot of the money you see on TV is people who have invested, people who have invented, people who have been generationally left money, people who have some sort of talent. Okay, first thing I would ask, the quickest way to be rich, do you have a talent? Can you sing? Can you dance? Are you a motivational speaker? Are you a sports person of some sort? Okay, you'll make money really quickly. You just got to get the popularity and get yourself out there. Okay, money isn't everything, but you need it. Now, like Warren Buffett, it took him years to be a billionaire, right? You haven't really started hearing about Warren Buffett in the past, what, 10 to 15 years, and some of you in the last 5 years. That's because it takes time to build money the way he did. He made a lot of great decisions when it came to stock investing. But I'm pretty sure the man did his research. So if you're thinking you're going to get quick rich off of some bioceutical company that is worth 10 cents and then it's going to balloon to $500 a share, you better do some research. And let me just tell you something about this. I'm not totally against penny stocks, but if you're wasting your money on penny stocks, then you are wasting your money on penny stocks. 9 times out of 10, maybe 8, you're going to lose with penny stocks, because that is where the world pump and dump. You know that term, pump and dump. What happens is investors, they may find a penny stock, or they may even create a penny stock legitimately. And they're going to pump it, meaning that you're going to buy. They're going to buy all these shares. They're going to create all these shares, and they're going to buy all of these shares. And they're going to pump it and pump it and pump it. And what does that mean? They're going to put things on the internet and investment channels and investment news. And they're going to buy. And a lot of times they pay people to buy that stock that's not related to them, that's not associated with them, but with an agreement on the side. Buy all of these stocks. I want you to buy $500,000. So the stock becomes very popular and the price of that penny stock begins to rise. Let's say, for instance, 3 cents, now it's 15 cents. That's a big rise. is 15 cents, then it's 25 cents. So you're looking at it, you're like, man, you see the chart, you're like, man, that penny stock is really growing. So what you go do? You go and buy, you go and buy 500 of them, and just as well as another 100,000 people go and buy it. Then they dump it. The guy who bought all those shares, he begins to sell, 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 sell. He made all that money off of you because now, because the market sees that it's being sold at a rapid rate, the penny stock begins to crash. And a lot of times those penny stocks begin to bottom out. That's just a quick little analogy of money isn't everything, but you need it. With a little, penny stock information. Just in case you wanted to know. But I want you to live your life. I want you to live your life the way you want to live it. And if I'm correct in this analogy, or I'm correct in this my theory here, that a lot of you guys want to live a great and glorious life, and the number one thing you want to do is probably travel, help out a family member, or just increase the value in your life, whatever they may be, in your children's lives. But in order to do that, you have to get out your stinking thinking about money isn't everything. You're right, but you need it, okay? The cell phone that you're looking at through right now, the bill that you have with T-Maybe, or Sprint, or AT&T, or Cost a Lot, Verizon. It doesn't matter. You need money in your life. And the only way for you to do the things you want to do is understand money and learn money and know what to do with your money. But stop getting out of your mind that you don't need money. Yes, you do need money. But don't let money control you. Be money smart. So I just wanted to ramble about this quite a bit. As you can tell, I was talking about penny stocks, but I really want you guys to be on the ball, and I want you to be on the grind, but I also want you to be smart. I don't want money to control you, and I don't want you to do any and everything to get money. I want you to be money smart. I want you to create a budget. I want you to alleviate unnecessary expenses. Cut out all that crap that you know you can't afford. Or cut out all that crap that's making you go to the limit, to the brink, to the ceiling of your budget. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, I'm pretty sure I can probably save you $100 by cutting out a lot of things. Because you know what? You probably got Netflix. And if you're at the top of your budget, do I have Netflix? Yeah, I can afford Netflix though. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, then you can't afford Netflix. Cut Netflix out. That $15, $16, cut it out. They keep raising the price anyway. If you have one of these Hulu, Prime Video, YouTube TV, Vudu, what else out there? Dish, Direct Now, Direct Go, Dish, whatever. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. I say the only thing that's profitable for your life is the internet, because with the internet, you can read so many websites and get so much information. That's the only thing I probably would say this day and age that you need is the internet. Wi-Fi. That's what I'm talking about. Wi-Fi. That's probably the only thing, because with that, you can get a Fire Stick, get free TV, etc., etc., etc. Here's the thing, guys. Money isn't everything. You have to be money smart. And you have to understand, in being money smart, you have to understand that you also need money. Okay? So hopefully I changed someone's thinking. Please share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so everybody gets the information, because we're having a dialogue. Leave your comments down below so we can have a dialogue. If you have questions, if you have moans, gripes, complaints, go ahead. Hit me with it. I will still respond in kind and in a respectful manner. That's just who I am. You're not going to hurt my feelings, because I know money isn't everything, but I want a lot of it so I can do a lot of things in life. And one thing is helping you guys out. This is Raw's World. Learn money and be inspired. Money isn't everything, but I spent a lot of money on this camera so you guys can see this video. I'm out.